Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to prepare this ivy gourd and potato recipe. Ivy gourd, which is also known as Kundri or Kundru. It tastes very yummy if you prepare it in this way. If you don't want to add potatoes to this recipe, friends, you can skip the potatoes and prepare the recipe in the same way that I have prepared. So let's have a look at the ingredients. So friends, the ingredients required to prepare this ivy gourd recipe, that is Kundri Aloo Subzi. I have taken 300 grams of Kundri or Kundru, or which is also known as ivy gourd, and I have cut them one Kundri into 4 pieces like this. 4 medium sized potatoes cut into thick pieces like this. 1 tomato roughly chopped. 1 big onion sliced. 2 dried red chilies. I've taken few dry spices. This is half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. We are going to use salt as per our taste, and I'm going to prepare my recipe in mustard oil. So let's start cooking, friends. Now I have put a karai in the gas and I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. And let the mustard oil get heated. Friends, now as you can see, our mustard oil is heated and the smoke is also coming out. So we are going to add the onion and the dried red chilies. And now, immediately after adding the onion and the dried red chili, I am going to add the potatoes. We'll put the flame into medium. And we'll let the potatoes get fried in this for 3 minutes. Now friends, after 3 minutes, as you can see, the potatoes have changed its color slightly. Now I'm going to add the ivy gourds to this potato. Just mix it. And then I'm going to add the tomatoes. Now friends, if you don't have tomatoes, if there's no tomato at home, you can put half a teaspoon of dried mango powder, that is amchur powder, and the dried spices. Salt. and now mix it. After mixing it, now we are going to cover this. We'll cover this and cook for 5 minutes over medium-high flame. Now friends, after 5 minutes, we will remove the lid and we will just saute it once. And now we will cook this like this till the ivy gourd and the potatoes gets nice fried texture and it gets cooked completely. So here friends, our ivy gourd recipe, that is Kundri Aloo ka bhaji, is ready. So now I will put off the flame and transfer this to the serving bowl. Friends, here is our ivy gourd and potato sabzi ready. Kundri aloo bhaji is ready. Serve it hot with plain steamed rice or rotis. Please like, subscribe and share my recipe. Please click on the bell icon so that you get updates of all my new recipes. Thanks for watching friends. Bye.